So Ursula is going to demonstrate how to use eye gaze as an access modality to communicate messages on the Tobii C12. If you notice, there is a red circle appearing on the screen, and
Please be patient while I compose what I want to say.
That is where Ursula is looking. So it's as if it's your mouse cursor. In order to make a selection, she's going to stay focused on that particular target until the circle is complete and goes all the way around like a clock. And that is essentially her mouse click.
It was a pleasure to meet you. I love you.
And of course, those settings can be adjusted. You can make that amount of time that you focus on the target either shorter or longer.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate a 5. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate my pain a 6.
And that is eye gaze access.